Norway is known for its free healthcare, and I just had knee surgery here in Bergen. So people want to know, how much did it cost, and was it really free? And apparently I went to a private hospital, which I didn't know. I just went to where my general practitioner, my GP, sent me. Does that mean I got better care, or that the doctors were better, or the surgeons were better? I don't really know. But I went to Harold's Plus, and I guess that is a really good hospital. This was my 6th knee surgery, number 6, and the 3rd on my right knee, and the first time I had surgery on my right knee since 2002. So it was 22 years ago. It's the last time I had surgery on this knee. And I can tell you from the past that in the States, the different surgeries I've had on my knee, anywhere from like $20,000 American, which is like 200,000 kroner in Norwegian money. They're not cheap. They're definitely not cheap. But you're here to find out what I paid for here in Norway. So here it is. 461 kroner. That is what I paid. And I paid for it through Vips right here in a text message on my way home, and the Pasientreiser, the patient taxi. And so if you're not Norwegian, what this says up here is it's just like day surgery in the orthopedic area, and bandages and like anesthesia and stuff like that with 75 kroner. And basically the deductible and stuff for my health professional was 386 kroner, and that's how we got to the total of 461. A knee surgery, and a good one. I mean, she did an amazing job. 461 kroner. So what is that in American money? Well, let's find out. 461 Norwegian kroner equals $43.73 in USD. That's wild. That is wild for healthcare. I mean, it's amazing. I feel so blessed and so happy to finally get this like straightened out and just fixed. Oh man, I mean, everyone should have access to healthcare. And you know, in the United States, you pay enough taxes. I don't understand why you can't have it, but hey, more reasons I'm thankful to live in Norway. So you were totally right, M, is that I did not pay more than $50. And that's pretty crazy. Matter of fact, the medication after the surgery cost me more than the surgery itself. Like just getting the Paracet and the e-books and the waterproof bandages and stuff like that. That was like 600 kroner. So total, everything, surgery, $43, 461 kroner. The medication and bandages and stuff afterwards, like 600 kroner. So, and then the taxi ride home was free. So it's about $100 for everything. That's pretty wild. Thank you, Norway.